So we canceled the 6p. Um, what's the 2400 minus 3600? What will that give us?
Um, that's 6,000.
Okay, so we want the difference between 24 and 36. So it takes six
Should we
more.
just add them?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it takes six more to get to 30, and then another six to get to 36. So what's six and six?
Oh, 12,000.
So it's
Negative. Would it be negative 12,000?
oh, yeah. So negative 1200.
Okay, 1,200.
Okay, so that's just a little mental math. A good thing to search. Like go to YouTube and type in human calculator, and it gives you a whole bunch of little tips and tricks on how to handle numbers. I reference it. It's really good. It's really good stuff. And then the negative 6w minus 6w. What does that give us?
Um, positive 12W.
So it's like a negative minus a positive is gonna. It's like a negative plus a negative is gonna be a negative 12w.
Or would be okay.
Yeah, it's gonna say negative. So then, how do we solve for w? What are we gonna do?
You divide both sides by 12.
Not 12, but
By negative 12.
yeah, negative 12. So that usually is what gives students a hard time or keeping track of the signs. People kind of tend to ignore it. What's 12 divided by 12?
1.
1.
Would be 100.
Yeah, so we could try 100 there for the speed of the wind. So if we have the speed of the wind, I'm going to go back up. How can we get the speed of the plane?
So since you already have W, would you plug it in?
Yeah. Which one?
Would you replace W?
Like there, we have two. The first, yeah. So we'll just choose the second equation. So we have two equations we can use. I'm just gonna choose the second one. So then we'll say 1200. Can you see what I'm writing back at the top?
Yeah, how can we write it?
Okay. So 1200 equals p plus 100 times 2. Okay. So to solve for p, what do we do?
We have to distribute the 2 first.
You can do that. I'm gonna offer a suggestion. You can divide both sides by 2 in this case. So you can say divided by 2 and divided by 2.
Yeah.
But if you're on the exam and someone tells you to distribute, my suggestion is practice going with your first mind. So if your first mind said to distribute, and then kind of work it from there. I want to encourage you to practice going with your first mind. The more often than not, your first mind is correct. So the more you do that, the more right you'll be. 1200 divided by 2. What is that?
600.
600. All right, then we get p plus 100. And then p equals
P equals 500. So
Five.
you minus 100 from both sides.
Correct. So the speed of the plane should be 500. The speed of the wind should be 100. So I would just say go. We can check by plugging into our original equations. But if we had set the original equations up wrong, then checking we would be checking in the wrong solution. So just try plugging it into my math lab and let me know if that works.
Okay, both work.
Okay. Where did you get that question from?
The study guide.
The study guide. Okay.
3 and 6-4.
Okay, so that was from the study guide. What question on the study guide?
Question number 20.
Okay, so number 20. Okay. All right. Let me